Hello all, welcome to the first video on the AutoTechie channel. Today, 2023 Model X is taking us on a fully autonomous ride through snow in Michigan. Even though you can't see my hands, I'm only resting them on the wheel to satisfy the nag gods and warm up my hands. Enjoy the video and don't forget to like and subscribe. Mile drive should take us about 12 minutes. Snow is starting to fall. Lanes are not clear everywhere, so we will see how it performs. It is wet, not slippery. Temperature is 26 degrees Fahrenheit. Smooth driving so far, staying below the speed limit as we have about 5 cars in front of us. First traffic light, no problems. Let's get the message. Full self-driving might be degraded. Poor weather detected. So it knows there is snow on the ground. We will be extra cautious. on some big curves. Speed limit drops to 35. Car slows down. A bit uneasy. I felt I should take over because I thought it took those curves a little bit too hot, not knowing how slippery or not slippery it is, so I took over. Let's continue. Flashing stop sign. See, will it know how to go? Yep, will be just fine. Going up the hill. Some big curves again. Let's see how we handle these. Some beautiful scenery. Oh, got a little bit confused. 35 is the speed limit. Let's watch for the speed in these curves. I felt it's going too fast, so I took over again. Because I don't know if I can trust that it knows that it might be slippery. Okay, let's resume. to 45. Speed change. Didn't notice that. Off we go. To 25. We're coming up on a stop sign, and our destination should be right after the stop sign on the right. Old town of Leonard, Michigan. Autopilot navigation complete. So we will resume. We'll go park in the parking lot, turn around, and take the next trip. In summary, drive was good. We had 2 interventions. I just felt uneasy as the car took 2 turns too fast. With the slippery weather, snow and conditions, I was too afraid, so I took over. Let's see how it handles it back.